Having trouble with OBS on Windows 11? I'll show you how to restore OBS Studio to its default settings in no time. Open OBS Studio and click on the File tab in the top left corner. Select Show Settings folder from the drop-down menu. In the folder that opens, highlight all items by dragging your cursor over them. Delete the selected files, either by pressing the Delete key or right-clicking and selecting Delete. Ensure OBS Studio is closed during this process if you encounter issues deleting the files. Reopen OBS Studio to confirm the reset. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.